Good morning. Opening day 2025. Dove season. Just getting ready to get the crew up. Right now it's a beautiful morning. Oh, neighbor's firing up his car. Heading to work. I'm heading out hunting. Got the day off. Oh, it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great day. Let's get going. We'll see you in the field. $20.25 opening morning. Doves, September 1st. It's a beautiful day. All these trees everywhere around us, just hundreds of doves. I got in a little water tank here that they've been coming into for days. And they're here. There's hundreds of birds right here. We got some coming. No. Need them to come in over here over me. Let's see how it goes. Might have to change my hat. Ow. Dang it. Missed. Missed my first shot. Dang it. Here comes one. Here comes one. I don't like these bullets. Damn it. Shit, they're flying, guys. Yeah. I don't like these shells. They fucking work with the fuck. Oh, I got that one. Fucking feathers all over. He flew off. Oh shit, fucking bullets. Target loads are not fucking hunting. Oh shit, all the feathers come off. Oh, he flew off. Do not believe in using target loads for dove hunting. A lot of people do, but get your wallet out and get some damn ammo. I got just a couple boxes of these cheap ass shit shells and screw that. I'm gonna go have to walk over to the truck and get me the good stuff. Maybe there's two birds there. He fell. I didn't see it. Oh, this thing fucking fly off. Picked me up some better bullets. And I did get that one dove where all the feathers were flying out of the tree. There was two there that I didn't know. I got the one. The other one flew out. Doves everywhere, but they're not flying right yet. You need to push them out, get them moved. I think they're all on the fences. looks like my partners are moving a little bit, which is good. They're all right here. They're in these trees, but they're just out of range. A few guys doing some shooting behind us. Got my new bullets. Number 6 shot with the high brass. Much faster, better shit bullet. Them stupid target loads won't even eject from your gun. Fucking hate those bullets. When we first came in, we were getting shots. Went through some shooting. And then all of a sudden, nothing. Come on, Dovey, 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 Dovey. Here comes one. Here comes one. Missed. Missed. Son of a bitch. Somebody needs to drive around, get them off the fences. They like to sit on them fence wires. Get them off the fences. Here comes one. Not coming to me. Dovey. Dinner. They're coming back. That whole bunch of them come in. I wasn't ready. I had to come back and retrieve them dove. Whole bunch just came in. They're all freaking over there. I need to come over here. sons of bitches. Come over here. Yeah, I took 3 bullets with me, and that was in my gun. I retrieved my dove, and a whole bunch of them came in. 3 shots later, I still only got 1 dove. And if I'd had a pocket full of bullets, I probably could have got 1 or 2. Came right over me. They're all right there. Hear them flying? They're right in front of me. Here comes 2. Comes 2. Come on over here, buddy. They're staying over there. Put my camel hat on. They don't like my hat, my lucky hat. I'm over here talking bullshit. Right in my tree. Son of a bitch. Keep flying in over from behind me. I'm not ready. Can't see me till they get over me. Can't do it on my knees for too long. Ankles hurt, legs hurt. So it sucks. I got my cool ass camel overalls on. 2 flaws in them. One, they're made for fat people and they act like, you know, because you have a fat belly, you got 50-inch legs. Here comes 2. Here comes 2. So they snag up on the bob wire. And then 2, it's got the zipper opens for like world's tiniest pecker. You can't even get your pecker out. Freaking zipper hole. It's so small. What the hell is that? Man, I feel like if I went down to that tree, they keep going into that tree over there. I mean, it's full of them. Of course, I go down to that tree, and then they're gonna all go fly up here in my tree. Here comes one. Here comes one. That's three. Now you want to talk about a good day hunting, going out hunting. God provides us with the hunting dog. We got a little cow dog. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Someone must have dropped this poor guy off. Or he's lost, I don't know. We're literally out in the middle of nowhere. Here comes this hunting dog. His ears are bit up pretty bad. Flies and bugs. I think he's been out here a while. He's pretty happy to see somebody. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, you're so happy. Yeah, giving me kisses. You've been out here a long time, haven't you? Haven't you? Come here. Come here. Let me take you home, make you my hot dog. You girl or boy? What are you? See, here's a gun go off. She's ready to go fetch it up. Come here, girl. Sit. Atta girl. Sit, stay. We got a whole fucking shitload coming. Sit, girl. Sit, girl. Sit, girl. Those are doves. Those are doves. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Sit and chill. Sit and chill. God, I've got to do 2 boxes of shells. Come here, girl. Sweetheart. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. You gotta stay here. We gotta be. We don't want to be moving around much. We got it. Push it. Step 2. Come in the wrong direction. Come on, girl. He's coming. He's working it. Come here, baby. Here they're coming. Got that one. Yeah. Fetch it up. You wanna fetch it up, sweetheart? You don't. I'm being a pain. My new hunting dog ain't much of a hunting dog. Oh, here we got three. Oh, it's them blackbirds. Right there. The hell? Here we got one coming down the pipe. Here she's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Here it coming. She's coming back. This time. Oh, it's gonna stay out of range. Yeah. Bullets suck. You got one, huh? Oh, get over here and get down. Get my over. Hey. You gotta get over here. Get down. He's crawling. I believe you. Yeah. How many you got so far? 6 or 7? Oh, yeah. Well, a new hunting dog ain't fucking worth shit for hunting. Not much of a retriever.
She's not a retriever.
Well, we found that one I shot. Shot it here, way over land by that tree, and I knew it's probably still alive, thankfully. Got over there. My hunting dog wanted to eat it. Come here, hunting dog. What are we gonna call you?
I know.
What are we gonna name you?
I think someone dropped her off out here.
I don't know how she got lost.
She come running over fucking way out there.
Alright, I'm on box number 2. I think I only got one more box of the good shells, and then I got all just pure crap. Stupid target loads. And they're a couple years old. I stopped using target loads. I go to number 6 shot high brass. They fucking work. Here, I got another one coming. Took down 2 more. I think that makes 10, so got 5 more to go. Fill out. Opening day, Colorado doves. Here comes my cows. Up in the water hole here. So I've been scoping this place out. My cows are right here. And been scoping this place out for days. I knew they'd be here. There's been doves all over. We came in this morning and there's hundreds of doves. And there's here. Luckily we got guys down at the next group of trees down the road. Mile down something. You hear them shooting and then we shoot. They go deaf, we shoot. And then they shoot, so we're bouncing them back and forth, and that's what you want when you're dove hunting. It's tough to go all by yourself. You need guys to move them and bounce them. Right now we're doing it. The other guys, my partners, got 2. Oh, we keep missing. We can't hit them. But they don't come out all camo or nothing either, so, you know. Bunch of nerds. Oh, shit! Let me show you my babies. Oh, here, I got one. It's coming. Yeah, still working it. He's coming. Got another one. Here comes 2 more. Yeah, he's coming. They're coming. Got a double. Oh, shit. Did a double. Oh, 3 just going right over my head. Got one right on that branch over there. I've shot a bunch over on that branch. I haven't hit none of them yet. There, I got one. No. It'd be one heck of a good shot if I could get this. Got the whole herd of cows right here on my butt. Doves coming in like crazy. Stepped about 20 of them. Right over my head. Like 20. Come here, baby. I don't know what the F other guys are doing, but they didn't come out wearing all camel. So they probably ain't doing very good. Got that motherfucker. Fucking him up, guys. Right over my head. Went right in that tree where there's like 50 of them. Wonder if I should go over there. I just know if I go over there, they're all coming over here. But you know, I could always come back over here, right? I could go over there and then come back. That seems to be the spot, man. Oh, right there. Shit. I think I wounded him, but he just took off unfazed. And I'm out of bullets. I gotta go get another box of shells.
I got about 14. I got one to go, then I'm done. That's a perfect spot. And how many did you fucking miss?
tell you what, these target loads, double, we call them double target loads. 7.5s.
Yep.
7/8 ounce. They're
Ruby.
no good. No good.
What happens?
Found a hunting dog today.
Yeah, we got her.
We were out hunting, found a dog.
Layla, Lola.
Layla, Lola, Lulu.
No.
I know Luna.
Ruby.
Ruby.
Whoopi. Whoopi.
Maggie.
No, it's Ruby. It's Ruby. That's a baby girl. It's a baby
Underlay.
girl.
Under. Underlay.
Oh,
She's a Mexican dog.
could be.
A Ruby.
She definitely don't
Vámonos.
want to be left behind. I think she got left.
Vámonos.
She's
Stuffed on these people
she's
and
not much of a cow dog. She's not much of a hunt dog. She's just a truck dog.
You don't know what
She
kind of
does. She is obedient. She sits.
Yeah,
stays.
healthy. She's healthy.
got some sore paws though.
Under. Under.
Ruby.
Hey, later.
Ruby. Niña. 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 Bullshit. Bullshit.
Sarita. Sarita.
We fucked this place up, guys.
It was good. If we would have hit him, we would have fucking filled out easy. What? Yeah.
I think they're all in the fences or the fields now.
Well, I haven't heard any more shooting either, so.
I don't see them. There's a few still in the trees. There's that, see that tree there where there's the one on it?
Yeah.
What girl?
That's the tree you want to sit under.
Well,
You guys just stand there. No camo, no nothing.
we still shooting the fuck out of them.
How many you got?
How many did we miss?
I got a green shirt. I'll put a green shirt on this
If
afternoon.
you kneel down, see, I crouch down. I'm
Well,
in a.
if you
in
go
a,
there, You're in a
blind.
hole. You're in a hole.
I got a made blind over there. Stand in the corner of that fence. It's great. And then I got all camo. And you know what sucks is these camos are made for fat boys, but like your calf is a 50-inch calf. You know, if you got a 40-inch belly, you got a 50-inch calf. Got cankles. And these are cankle pants. And then it's got a little itty bitty zipper for a little bitty tiny pee-pee.
Well, that's
I
because
gotta go
fat people
potty.
don't have big
They
people.
don't have wieners, I get it.
Yeah.
Fuck. Can't even get the Toda out the hole, man. Bullshit.
Well, I'm getting fucking hungry.
You hungry?
I'm hungry.
We go clean these up. Or cruise around and
Well,
clean them up. I don't know.
what are you gonna do this afternoon? Come right back out here.
We coming back? This is great. We filled out. Opening morning, fill out.
Right. That's what the game warden said. When I come back by, you better be full.
We did it. We did great. This was a great hunt. See, and I've been, because of work
I
out
think
here.
that game warden knows the route.
Yeah.
He knew this.
Well,
was
he's going down to the trees down on.
Yeah,
Game
he
and
knows
Fish
this was a good spot though too. Here comes what? Right here.
Let me get it.
Let me see.
She was gonna get it. But you can't take a weed.
He heard me take the safe off. As soon as you take the
That
safety
safe
off,
is fucked.
as soon as you take the safety off, out the door they go. Says it like
As soon as you pull it up and pull the trigger, out the door they go too.
yeah.
Yeah, I gotta take a shit. It's something about the woods.
Did you bring paper?
Oh yeah, I never leave home without it. When you go hunting, you always take paper. That way you can sell it to the guy who didn't take paper. Want to shoot that dog?
Yeah, I want to shoot some. These guys got bullets. These guys wasted bullets.
Bullshit.
I only missed a few.
They're from fucking Archer.
Yeah, I paid good
Those
money.
ones are
Those
crappy bullets.
They're
The
high brass.
Federals are good.
High brass 1350 number 6 shot. That's what you want. You don't want that target shit.
I'm shooting. I'm shooting.
Hunting.
7.5.
Yeah. Got this some. There's some other ones.
There's shells at home on there.
Here, I got my sticker.
What you call it?
You got a sticker.
Come here, baby. Let me see. Let me see. Here. Let me see.
David's got to take a shit too.
Not no more. Let's load it up. We're gonna load it up. Jesse should have been here. We got 30 more days of this. 60 more days. Come on out. We'll make sure you get something. Give him a panorama of the area we're hunting.
So where you gone, my honey? Your mama's out and looking for you. You've been dead since last Sunday.